left, right, or forward, backward, or round. Yes, so you need to place that center where you need it. So if I want to move with my beautiful girl, of course I have a certain kind of posture, but my explanation of posture was keep your head over the feet. Easy. The rest is free. Try that. Keep your head over the feet. Do you feel it? Nice. So why you fix it? If you want to make rhythm, power. Alright, so keep your head over the foot. Touch me. And move. Yes. So my weight over that step that I would like to use. Boom. Hey. Cha cha wa ba ya ta 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 ya ta ta. Oink. Oink oink. Oink oink. Yes. Not bad. You're good. You're good. Keep doing it. Don't worry. Follow me. But keep your center. So, this is number one, because this year a lot. Don't keep your center. You're cheating. These Italians cheat everywhere. Oh no, he's not Italian. You see, breathe in and keep it. You can do quite a long time. But breathe out and have nothing in is very, you for sure, your body will do. Huh? So, can we use that in a simple thing like breathing? Is actually that in this moment where we have time, we breathe out. And very good. Breathe out. Only? I just have started. We actually just breathing over. Breathe out. Yes? So that helps actually to feel a natural movement, and that is stretch. Stretch. Come on, stretch. Show me stretch. Like imagine you wake up in the morning. How do you do? Is that what you do in the morning? Come on. Yeah. Is that what you do? Liars. You would be better dancers then if you would do that, yes? Guys, stretch. So that means also, again, use that position that I'm landed, body weight is on that foot, to kind of stretch out of that, even though, or maybe stretch into it by breathing, and change the direction, very simple. And now we need to breathe a little bit faster. Nice. So if you keep the center, because if you don't have a spine, you have no courage. No? Stretch. You don't have to just stretch down here, yeah? Not yet. Maybe here also. Look. Then here shorter. Here. You keep your center. Relax. Relax. Wine. That's it. Nice. Make it. No. Breathe in your center. That's better. It's like yoga, you know? This doesn't help. You need to stretch. Good. Thank you. I'm glad you're all standing because I now have a standing ovation. Thank you. Very well. Did you ever feel that from your partner? Never? You need to practice tonight, huh? Mexican party. Yeah? Alright. And stretch. And change and stretch. Look how relaxed she is. She was not relaxed like this with you. It's my touch. It's experience. This is the good thing when you get older. You have experience. Focus. You were before. See?
Dance Today continues to create entertaining and educational content because of the contributions from viewers like you. If you would like to donate to the channel, please click on the Patreon link in the description below. Thank you for your support.